Hello everyone, welcome back to One Cooking World. Today we're gonna make yummy vanilla cupcake. These are the ingredients: 3/4 cup of milk, 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cube butter, and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 3 eggs, and vanilla essence. Now I'm gonna put all-purpose flour and baking powder and then dust it. I dusted the floor. Now I'm gonna add salt and then mix it. Mix, 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 mix. Now I'm gonna keep this aside, and in a separate bowl I'm gonna add butter and powdered sugar. So let's do it. And then mix, of course. Mix, 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 mix. Look, you have to mix it well, like I am. I added 1 egg, so now I'm gonna mix it well. Mix, 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 mix. Now add another. Then mix it again. Now I'm gonna add the third one. And now mix it, of course. Mix, 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 mix. Now 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So let's do it. Oops. Now we have to add half dusted flour, and then we're gonna add milk and then mix it well. I added half flour and I'm mixing well. I mixed it well, so now I'm gonna add 3/4 of milk. And mix it, my favorite part. Then I added the remaining powder that I dusted and mix it well, of course. Look, our cake batter is ready now. Now let's preheat it 375 Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, put the parchment paper in the baking tray and then pour our batter. So let's do it. Now let's pour the batter. The batter was enough for 12 cupcakes. And I made the batter again so we can fill up all the rest of it. I'm going to add some chocolate chips in one row. Look. Now the oven is preheated and now we have to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. It smells so good. I want to eat. After 20 minutes, look at my yummy cupcakes. Look at the chocolate chips that I added. Look how spongy it is. And look inside. I added chocolate syrup and some sprinkles on it, and now I'm gonna taste it. Awesome and delicious. You should try this for sure. Please try this yummy vanilla cupcake, and thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button, and see you later.